Alright everyone, welcome to RomTip.com.
Today we're tackling a common problem: how to watch European Netflix on your Mac. It's easier than you think, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a VPN for your Mac. Head over to your favorite web browser and search for a VPN. For this tutorial, we'll be using IPVanish. You can find a link to IPVanish in the description below, and in the pinned comment, and it might get you a sweet discount. To download it, hover over Apps at the top of the IPVanish website, then click on Mac. On the Mac download page, just click Download App. Choose where to save the installer. I'm putting mine on the desktop for easy access.
Once it's downloaded, open the installer.
Now, simply drag and drop the IPVanish logo into your Applications folder. This might take a minute depending on your Mac's speed. Once IPVanish is installed, close the installer and you can even delete it from your desktop if you want to keep things tidy.
Next, let's open IPVanish.
I'm using Launchpad. Since it's the first time opening it, you'll get a prompt. Just click Open.
Now you're at the IPVanish login screen.
Enter your account details to log in. Don't have an IPVanish account? Check out the link in the description or pinned comment for a significant discount.
Seriously, do it.
The first time you log in, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration. Just click Allow. Now you can start using the VPN normally. But remember, we want that sweet European Netflix. So, open your web browser and go to Netflix. Sign into your account and choose a profile. I found this works better on Chrome rather than Safari. Once you're logged into Netflix, minimize your browser, open IPVanish, and click on Locations in the left-hand menu. Now, find a European server. I'm going with Germany. Select the server, and after a few seconds, you'll be connected.
Boom.
It's like you're browsing the internet directly from Germany. Minimize IPVanish and go back to your web browser. Refresh the Netflix page. After a moment, it'll refresh and you'll be seeing the German Netflix version. See? If I scroll down, it says, Top 10 TV programs in Germany today. Now, just select whatever you want to watch and enjoy. And that's it. Easy peasy. Remember to click the link in the description or pinned comment for an exclusive discount on IPVanish. This is based on my own experience, so your mileage may vary. If this video helped you, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.